Hello viewer, in this video tutorial we will use the different shapes here. It's the hue and saturation we have. Then make the other designs. We can use the gradient for it. We will apply from each sides to create a focused in the center. Now we have the further adjustment by using that tool of curve. It's a filter gallery there. There are the tiles we can generate. Note paper, reticulation, spotter, spray stroke, semi, and there is a texturizer design.